Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Today it's war day number 315. 315 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, January the 4th, 2023. We have here three puzzles, three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary puzzle, the medium Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. We have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cypher block. In Japanese, a Suguru. And last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Otherwise it will be too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Okay, the first puzzle is a binary puzzle, number 5733. 5733. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here one, there one. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright, between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 5 ones. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I need to think now. Yeah, think hard. Nope, double O, here one, there one. Alright. Then I'm stuck. Well, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe need some comparing. For example, this row and that row. 0011, 0011, 00, empty box, 001111. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. I cannot place the fifth one here or there. Otherwise, we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So these 2 boxes should be an O. Okay. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2. Sorry, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, 1. So we again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Here. I think we need to compare again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Well, we have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column, first column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1, this should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Well, need to compare again. And how about this first row and this row again? So we have 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, oh wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. And 1, 2, so we again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 8 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. You need to compare twice, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. Regular puzzle, a medium Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.